Hello. I want to share Shark NV356E Navigator lift-away professional upright vacuum with swivel steering, HEPA filter, white, silver. About item. Lift-away functionality. Lift away the detachable pod and easily clean above floor areas like stairs, furniture, and more. Hose length 59.84 inches. Cord length 300 inches. Anti-allergen complete seal. Works with a HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Based on ASTM F1977 of particles 0.3 microns or larger. Brush roll shutoff. Instantly switch from more maneuverability on deep carpets to gentle bare floor cleaning. Perfect for pet owners. Picks up pet hair and loose debris. Powerfully deep cleans dander out of upholstery and other surfaces. Swivel steering. Easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Get best price and discount. Click link in description. Like, share and subscribe for support my channel. See you.